What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. Today is the day. We got the blue bike in the back, but that's not where we started today, man. We got a whole nother bike coming to the channel, man, and this one is actually closer than all the other bikes I've won before, so this should be pretty cool, man. We don't got to go far at all. We just got to go to local Copart, and then we'll go check it out, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I gotta clean this garage out, but I think I'm already in queue to go freaking pick up the bike. And waiting for them cars at Coparts, man, is like literally forever. So I think I'm gonna head up that way now, then clean this out once I get back. But let's go get this thing loaded up, man. Let's get it in. Well, good thing about being local is we ain't gotta freaking put a whole wallet in the gas tank today, man. But dirty truck. Let's go pick up this dirty bike. I'm sure this thing is freaking dirty as heck, dog. And I should have brought my freaking jumper cables. Hopefully they can load it up for us. We'll just have to see. Let's see if my vest or something is in here. I don't even think my vest is in here. I think I probably got to go back home for a second or something. Alrighty, here we are back at Copart and whatnot. That CVO is not here anymore. It was sitting right here last time, but it's gone now. They got some toys up here. Y'all know this is the y'all notice the toy lot, but our bike and stuff is right over here. And this is our bike right here. This is the bike. Freaking dirty as heck, sitting over here in this mud. Got the little tour pack and all that good stuff. Got some power there, so that's cool. Got some speakers. Man, I gotta pull my truck up and so we can get this thing loaded up, but I just wanted to check it out really quick. It does look pretty decent, if I might say. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. So we're getting ready to load this thing up. Getting ready to load it up, man. The tour pack is already broken, so I'm gonna probably just leave this. Take these little speakers right here. Should be good. Let's see. What's up, man? Actually looks pretty good, man. That's crazy. That's dope. I have to get this thing a bath right away. Get this inner fairing switched out. Get this thing looking good, man. And just like that, got that thing loaded up. Hey, good looking, bro. Good looking out. Just like that, guys, we got this thing all loaded up. Now it's time to strap him down. This thing is freaking filthy. Now I literally might take this thing to the pressure washer, to the car wash right away. because this thing is like overly dirty, man. We can't even put this in a garage like this, dog. So I think that's where I'm gonna head right now after I strap it down, just to get this thing cleaned up at least enough so we can work on it. But I'm digging it, man. It actually is looking really good. It looks like so far it's just the fairing, maybe the inner fairing as well, but everything else looks good. So we'll just have to confirm that whenever we offload it. So let's get it going, dog. Just like that, y'all, we all strapped down, ready to go. Probably didn't need that many straps, but we're gonna head to the car wash real quick, man, and pressure wash this thing down, because when I say it's literally dirty, man, it's freaking dirty, man. We're gonna try our hardest not to get the wires and stuff wet, but it's already been wet, so I don't think it could do any more damage. But without further ado, man, let's get up out of here, big dog. Alrighty, just got to the crib. I want to try to start it right now, because I know when I go to the car wash, it'll be easiest if I can offload it, set it up on the jack over there really quick, and then wash it on there. But it'll also work if I just keep it on the truck. So I think I want to save some time and just keep it on the truck, just get all the huge dirt and stuff knocked off. Then when we come back, we can detail it a little bit better. But yeah, man, I think I'm gonna do that, because that seemed like it'll work a lot easier. So I'm gonna just clean it up on the truck, not even gonna bring the jack. Do want to get a first start, but I'm gonna wait till after it's cleaned up and offloaded. So we'll see. All right, dog, just pulled up to the car wash, man. Let's get this thing clean, because literally the dirt is packed on here in layers, man, and I need this chrome to be shining, man. This was an older person's bike, I'm sure, so they did a lot of chrome, so we're just gonna keep it the chrome flow for now. But let's get it though. Just like that, we got her looking a little bit better. That chrome is definitely starting to shine now. I need to dry it off so it don't have so many water spots, but the water spots wasn't even my main concern. It was the dirt that was packed on it. So when I get to the house right now and offload it, I'll throw it on the stand and then detail it. We'll get this thing shining up, get this tour pack taken off, make it look like a young person bike, man. So have to wash the truck a little bit. Not even gonna dry it, because I already know it's bound to get dirty again. So let's head to the crib, offload this thing, and see what it's looking like, man. Alrighty, man, we finally got it in the garage. They finally meet. Thing is looking pretty clean compared to what it was just looking like. Got the Screaming Eagle air breather. Might have some 2-in-1 headers on here. Gonna get this thing started in a second, but I want to get it cleaned down and get all the parts we don't need off of it first. So let's just get that down real quick. And I gotta clean up this garage. It is a little bit dirty. Just gotta make some room for this bike, but gonna get it in. Can't wait, man. What y'all think so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. So this guy, I'm guessing he really didn't want his bags to get freaking lost or stolen. And he put this type of Allen bolt in. I never even seen one like this with a little hole in the middle. So if you got a regular Allen or nothing, you still can't get this thing off. So where are we at? Trying to see what I can do right now, man. So now I'm not even gonna hold y'all, man. I don't know what to do to freaking get these things out of there. Because these bolts don't push in. So I probably gotta go to AutoZone and find something, man, that'll fit in there. But I don't know, I just never seen that before. Then I freaking get all the way to the house and realize I didn't even pick up the key from the main office. So now I gotta go back to freaking Copart, make sure this key is the right key. But while I'm out going to get the key, I guess I can try to go find the right tool for this, because if not, I'm gonna be bringing that grinder out, getting this freaking bolt off by any means. But we'll just have to see what happens, man. I wanted to get it cleaned up and everything right now, quick, fast, and in a hurry, but it's just not gonna happen that fast. So I think I'm just gonna clean it up, literally spray detail everything on the outside. Then when I get back and get that tool, I'll pop those bags off, get that back wheel covered and everything like that. But I don't wanna be held up and I just wanna, you know, make the best of my time. So I think I'm gonna wipe it down, detail it up, get it real clean, and get all the dirt and stuff off that chrome, try to get that chrome shined up, because it do have potential, man. So let's see. Alrighty, guys, got this thing cleaned down just a little bit. Now I need I should hit it with some of that pig spit real quick, but we not even on that part just yet. We still at the beginning stages, but just wanted to show you guys. This thing has a freaking blowhorn. So I'm sure it's like rocks and dirt and stuff up in there, but we'll clean that out and get that thing going. As well, I want to show you guys these cool little freaking clutch levers. It's like a lady's body. Never even seen nothing like these before. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope, man. I'm digging it. So I did put some of that pig spit on the engine bay. It is looking that much better. Now this bike is definitely going to need a chrome treatment. If you guys don't know how I clean chrome, you guys definitely will see that. We'll probably get that done tomorrow though, but we'll get all this extra stuff off. But I gotta go get the key before we get any further on this thing, man. So I think I'm gonna take that bike to Copart really quick and go pick up the keys, because I didn't pick it up earlier and I don't want to waste no more gas in the truck, man. So let's move this thing out the way and get that blue thing pulled forward. Got that joint pulled out. That's crazy how just a couple weeks ago, well, about a month ago now, this bike was looking just like this bike, man. Super stock and fresh from the auction. Which y'all already know is about to go down, man. But, man, let's hop on this thing and get up out of here. Alrighty, guys. Just now getting to Copart. Well, pretty much leaving Copart. About to go to the sublot I got mine from to get that key. So, we'll see. So, of course, nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows where the key is. Nobody knows anything. So, I don't know. We got to go back to the main yard we just left and see what the heck. Maybe the key might be on this tour pack that we left in earlier. I hope that would be the case, but doubt it. Let's see. Definitely forgot to pick this stuff up earlier and throw it in there. But I don't see no key hanging from it or nothing. No key. No key or nothing. You would think it would be just sitting in the dirt, but not even that.
Most likely, if it was right there, it had to be like this, because we keep it right here.
Yeah,
but if it's in the main yard, it's supposed to be inside the office.
Oh, okay.
So, like, it was right here, most likely to be right there, but I don't know if they took on the images.
Right.
Does it show the
Yeah,
the
it doesn't show nothing like this on the images.
Yeah, that's...
So I didn't got plenty of bikes, so I know to look for this, but it didn't have none of that. So
most likely, I don't want to say he did, but I'm guessing he didn't. So I was like, I don't want to be like, oh,
right.
they can't
right.
receive it.
Yeah, no, I hear you. See, because this one don't even got one hanging either. That's crazy. I don't know, man. It's different. Yeah, this one's hanging.
Yeah, like
That's crazy. Yeah, I didn't.
Right there, so I was like.
Yeah, see, I didn't see none of that, man. Heck no.
And on the Copart app, that it said the key had a key.
Yeah, it said it had a key and everything.
So I was like, the most I could tell you, I was like, go to the main yard.
Right.
And talk to them and tell them that in the picture it showed they had a key and everything right there.
Right.
So that at least they could try to make one and everything.
Okay, bet.
So I was like, well, just try to talk to them, and
right.
they were cheaping now.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
All
right.
Hey, are you gonna take your stuff or?
Nah, fuck that shit. Nah, I'm on the motorcycle. That's why. Yeah, so we gotta go back to the other Copart now and freaking figure this out, dude. What the heck, man? They don't have the key. They don't know what's going on, man. It's crazy. Alrighty, man. I just got off the phone with Copart instead of going back up there. The manager's gonna call me. I guess they took, when they first initially picked up the black bike from the owner's house or whatever the case may be, it had a key, but it was just sitting in the ignition without like a zip tie or whatever. So I guess they're gonna try to find it. If not, they're gonna replace it. So we'll just go back to the crib and try to get this thing started. Meanwhile, we got to find that tool for that bag so we can get those bags off, man. So let's go to like AutoZone or something like that, dog.